Hello everyone, welcome. This is Jie Tian from the Pollack Library. Welcome to part 3 of our workshop. Today we are going to be looking at the different structures that you may consider to use when you are putting together your text and images so that you can try different models and to see what structure would work best with the content that you are creating. As we begin to look at these structures, you will see how they are related to the folding that we have done in both workshop 1 and 2. Depending on the size of paper, a strip or a small page, or a larger sheet of paper, if you fold in half, that becomes the pamphlet. Or it can look like a V, or a small book. So here I have another structure. Instead of folding one time, I'm folding 2 times. In this case, I have a structure that looks like a Z, letter Z. This piece of paper is 12 inches. So I marked at a place that's 4 inches, 8 inches, and then the remaining would be the last 4 inches. Then I just fold towards where the 4-inch mark is, and then I fold towards the center fold. So that's how you get this structure. And you could add, for example, signatures in the valley fold of this structure. So here you have another way to display your content, and you could add more than 1 folded page, but probably no more than 3. Just depending on how thick your paper is. I'm building up from folding once to folding twice. So here I'm folding 3 times. I have a center fold. Then I fold towards the center. I turn around, fold the other end towards the center. So here I have a 4-panel accordion. Now in the same way, we can also add signatures to the valley fold. In this way, you also have a structure that's going to be able to stand up, and you can add content to these signatures. It can be printed out, it can be handwritten, it can be painted or drawn. So just consider how you want to engage the viewer as they turn the pages. So this could be a cool structure to consider too. So here I have another 4-panel accordion, but then I stacked several sheets of paper together, and I hand cut the different images. So is there something you want to try to stack several sheets of paper together to present your text? Or also to consider, is your display zine going to be different from your virtual digital zine? Is there something unique that you want to present from your digital copy into this physical structure? So this could be something else to try in addition to your digital zine, okay? And then the several sheets of paper are sewn together just like what we did with our pamphlet style. Now I have another accordion. This time it's folded into an 8-panel, and I have a pocket. So I folded a piece of paper lengthwise 1 time, 2 times, and then I have a little overlap between my top fold and my bottom fold. After that, I made the accordion. Again, we fold on the center first, and then my next fold against the center fold, fold it 1 more time, turn it around, and then to fold back towards the center and then finish it. And I also colored it with the ink that I made out of onion skin. So at home, you can try different recipes to add color to your books by using everyday materials like onion skins, the water that you use to boil beets, and then just keep boiling it until you reach the right consistency or color that you like. So here I have another book that's also folded into an 8-panel accordion. I also added a pocket. And then I have poems that's hand cut after it's been printed on cardstock. So accordion is great because it's probably one of the only structures where you can open it flat. You can open the entire book flat. Okay. So you can see the entire book flat. So these are a few structures that I would like to share with you so that you can explore and find out what would work for you. Thank you very much for joining this workshop.